God, there's an ice cream truck right there. That's the same exact truck that went to our house. Oh my God.
Let's go check it out, dude.
All right, that's the truck from the park in Eastville. But we're in Ontario. I have it. I'm recording. You recognize it? Oh my God. There's so much. Oh. Oh my God, that's my old local. It's our old local. This is the truck that we bought from at the park, Dad. Look, this one.
This one right here goes to Eastville too.
Yeah, that's a truck. That truck has been to our house once.
I'm just showing him the ice cream trucks.
Yeah, I love ice cream trucks.